When it comes to land surveying services in Gurgaon Sector 23, the Scon design stands out as a reputable institution. As a leading land surveyor in the area, the institute offers comprehensive surveying solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of clients in Sector 23. With their extensive knowledge and expertise in land surveying, the professionals at Scon Design are equipped to handle various types of surveying projects. As a land surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 23, the Scon Design employs state-of-the-art technology and advanced techniques to ensure accurate and reliable results. Whether it is boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, the institute utilizes the latest equipment and software to deliver precise measurements and detailed reports. The use of modern technology not only enhances the efficiency of the surveying process, but also minimizes errors and provides clients with a high level of confidence in the results. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your land surveyor in Sector 23 is their strong understanding of local regulations and requirements. The institute has a deep knowledge of the specific land surveying regulations in Gurgaon, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the applicable laws. This expertise allows clients to navigate through the complex legal framework and ensures that their projects remain in line with the regulations set by the authorities. Furthermore, Scon Design prides itself on its commitment to delivering excellent customer service. The team at the institute understands that each client's needs are unique, and they strive to provide personalized solutions tailored to meet those needs. From the initial consultation to the final delivery of surveying reports, the professionals at Scon Design maintain clear communication with their clients, keeping them informed and involved throughout the entire process. The Scon Design is a well-known organization that offers land surveying services in Sector 23 in Gurgaon. The institute, a preeminent land surveyor in the region, provides complete surveying solutions made to satisfy the unique requirements of customers in Sector 23. The experts at Scon Design are prepared to tackle a variety of surveying projects due to their significant knowledge and skill in the field. The Scon Design uses cutting-edge technology and sophisticated methods as a land surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 23 to guarantee precise and dependable results. The institute uses the most recent tools and software to produce accurate measurements and thorough reports, whether it's for boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking. Modern technology not only increases survey process speed but also decreases errors and gives clients a high level of confidence in the outcomes. One of the main benefits of using Scon Design as your land surveyor in Sector 23 is their thorough knowledge of neighborhood laws and specifications. The institute makes sure that all surveys are carried out in accordance with the relevant legislation because it has a thorough understanding of Gurgaon's unique land surveying requirements. This knowledge enables clients to successfully navigate the intricate legal system and guarantees that their projects continue to adhere to the rules established by